Hi guys, welcome to Hackfields. Me Astro. So here I am going to share my first bounty experience with you on Hackron. I got $215 for my first bounty. So I think it's a simple bug. I only take 5 minutes to get that bug, but I got $215 for it. But the bug severity is medium because CSRF allow an attacker to manage users card. That's the bug. So, and firstly I taking an excuse because this is my first video, so apologize me if I make any mistake on my English, and sorry for my bad English, guys. Okay, this is the my report. CSR follow attacker to manage custom cat, and the important and the funny part happened here. I think you must write a good report for when reporting a bug, because they haven't too much time to sit and look into your report. I show you an example here. Firstly, my report just they rejected and put them into not applicable because I just write it the report badly, and I just copied the burp request and pasted here because they haven't too much time, and maybe they haven't knowledge like cover security researchers, because maybe they are staffs or developers or like that. I didn't teasing developers. Maybe developers have the security knowledge also. Okay, you can see here I reported my report. So I reported my report, and you can see here thanks closed the report and changed the status to not applicable. Okay, after that I sent it a message, and they reopened the project, report. Okay, you can see here, and finally I got $215 for it, guys. Happy moment. How I know I'm very excited that time. That's a very pleasant feeling, and I cannot express my feelings that time. That need to be experienced. Okay, and I'm giving best of luck for all you guys for your first bounty. Okay, and a bright future for your bug hunting career. Okay, okay, if you please like my video if you didn't like it. Okay, I am showing you that site. Okay, this is a site, and I just added a product here. You can see here I turned on my Foxy proxy here, and I am going to turn on the intercept. Okay, at that time I am changing the product quantity to 2. At that time on Bubsuit you will get this API request. Look into it. It's a post method. Okay, then how I get this bug and how this impact the shopping site, I will show you. Don't worry about it. I just copied this report, and how, if you think how I got this idea to paste this API request on browser, just wait, I will show you. Okay, just I am turning off this, and I just googled like that, shopping cart hacker one. Okay, at the time I got this report. CSF allow attackers to manage customer shopping cart, and I just take that. I just took that, and I got a little similarity on this report and my report, so I tried like that. Okay, and unfortunately this fellow didn't get bounty. It's a duplicate, but I got $215 for it. Actually it's look similar, but their request difference. Okay, you can look here. Okay, so if you get if you first you need to search on Google about it, like similar report for similar reports or etc, like this. If you are hunting a shopping site, just search like shopping site hacker one or like that, then you will get bugs related to shopping site, etc. Okay, I think you will get what I am said. So how I will show you what's the problem here. So I just copying here this API request, and you can see here decoded from URL encoding, and you can see here quantity is equal to 2, and you can see here the product ID, item ID. Okay, I am just copied that and I am pasting here. You can see here this is my shopping cart and it's have no product here. Okay, now I am going to add with just a link. Okay, sorry. Okay, and I need to copy the host name. Okay, and you can see here this is the quantity number. Okay, you can see here this is the product quantity. Okay, quantity is equal to 2. Okay, because we will add 2, we will try to increase the quantity 2, that's why they are showing 2. Okay, I am just rendering here, and you can see here the request gone, and when I refresh here the product is added here, guys. That's dependent 2 because this is the reason. Okay, we added 2. Okay, and we add 3 and refresh here, it's 3, guys. Okay, the bug is not resolved. I know now you thinking that how this bug impacting the shopping site. Let me show what I am said. Okay, if an attacker tried to send this link to the victim, okay, if the victim click through the link, it will generate like this, and the product will add it to their cart. Okay, if we refresh, it's 2 because of this. Okay, so if the attackers can manage the user's card by sending the link, he can change the number, and if the user click through the link, the product will become 1, and we can add other products to just by changing the product ID. Okay, so the attacker can add products to their user's cart and remove the products from cart. If the user didn't notice the products added to their cart and they check out the product, and he may get financial loss, or it will distract their cart by adding products or removing products. I think you get it. Okay, now here I am wish to share one more bug I reported on this site, that at that time now the bug is solved. Okay, at that time we can bypass the user card limit. I think if you check here, we can only add 3 products. Okay, no other options, but I used Bubsuit to intercept the request, and I changed it to 4. Okay, at that time I was able to increase the product greater than 3. Okay, I can able to bypass the card limit. So and the funny fact that at the end point they are not checking, or they are not validating the user input. That's the reason for it, and I was able to add infinite products. If we add more than product than stock, it will show like this, ended up like out of stock. I mean, if we bypassed the card limit and add 4 products, it's become out of stock, but we can able to bypass the limit. And I think they put a limit on shopping cart, like only we can add 400 products, but I added infinite product. You can see here 2000 products. I added many products, like I added 1 lakh of products like that. Okay, so but I reported this bug, and they put the report into informative, and they didn't give me bug, but now they solved the bug. I think they cheated me, so doesn't matter. I'm telling this because at that time, if the attacker changed this product count into 10,000 and enter, and this link send it to the user, if the user click through this link, this much product will added to their cart, and the product become out of stock. Okay, you can see here. So the attacker can out of stock all the products in the user cart. Okay, just think it. But at that time I reported to they will tell that they have fraud management team, and if the product become out of stock, and after some time the product will release, and the users can buy it. Okay, that's the reason they tell, but they fixed the issue now. Okay, this is my host operating system, so I am here using that API. So it will add any if any user take this link and paste in browser, it will automatically add the products to the customer cart. Okay, now I will show you. This is my cart, 0 product. When I paste the link here, sorry for the lag. Okay, I am here adding 900 products. Okay, if I entered, okay, it's showing like this. Okay, when I take this and refresh, okay, just look, you can see here 900 products is added. I am checked this on my mobile also, it's also adding product. Okay, if I change here to okay, when refreshing we can show here. Okay, this product is out of like this. Look, thank you. Get what I am said, and if you get what I am said, please like it, and if you like this video, please like it. This is the POC of this video and the explanation. I think you will get what I am said. I explained very largely. I think I explained very widely. Okay, sorry for my bad English, and thank you guys for watching this video. Love you guys. Bye bye. Hackfeds. We can see you next video.